London AIM-listed GenIP is an artificial intelligence or AI company which helps organisations commercialise opportunities within the market. The chief executive is Melissa Cruz, who joins us now. Welcome.
Thank you.
This is a fascinating area. It's growing almost exponentially. Explain what GenIP does within this sector.
So GenIP is a purpose-driven company that helps clients to make faster and better decisions about innovation decision-making. We help our clients to evaluate and commercialize technologies, and we do this through two fully developed services. The first one is Invention Evaluator. An Invention Evaluator is a bespoke software that helps our clients to identify if a technology has commercial potential or not. So if it's a go, no-go decision. And Vortex is our recruitment and venture scouting arm that helps our client to find the talent to drive commercialization forward and find companies for potential partnership or acquisition.
So how are you deploying AI within the business, and what core functions use it?
So we use AI to speed up analysis, for consistency, and to scale the business. In Invention Evaluator, we use AI to find all the information that is available as quickly as possible, and then the analysts, the humans, do what they do best, which is to deliver their findings and give an objective, expert-led opinion to the clients. Then for Vortex, we use AI to find all the candidates that are the perfect fit for a role. We shortlist the candidates, and we do that based on cultural fit of the client. So it's worth noting that every output is reviewed by a human expert before it reaches the client.
So how is GenIP different from services like ChatGPT, for example, or Perplexity Deep Research, names that many might have heard of before?
So those tools are excellent for general research, but GenIP is built for technology commercialization. And what we do is that we blend human expertise plus generative AI, which provide our clients with objective opinion. And the fact that we have the human component help us to avoid hallucinations, receive data that is not that is verified, and also receive data that is up to date. And we don't share the client information with AI. So our analysts do what they do best, which is to deliver an expert opinion.
So let's pick up on that point about your clients. Who are they? What do they do?
Yes. So we have a global client base of more than 300 clients now, and there are universities, government agencies, corporations, venture funds, and IP firms, and they have a recurring need to evaluate technologies. In today's world, speed is everything. So they want to stay competitive. They want to get the next technology that will probably cure a disease or will become a medical device. So that's where GenIP comes in, because we want to make the tools for technology transfer accessible.
So how do they use GenIP then?
They use GenIP whenever they have questions such as, is this technology worth funding? Is this technology worth licensing? Is this technology worth patenting or spinning out?
So the big question is, what's the market opportunity now for GenIP? As I said at the top, you are an AIM-listed company. You are relatively small within the market. Opportunities are out there for enormous amounts of growth. Explain more about how you see things moving.
Yes. So in the US alone, there are about 4,000 universities, and we have only tapped about 2% of that market. In the UK, there are more than 500 VCs that could be our client. And not only that, but there are billions of dollars being invested on university R&D every year, and about 80% of those technologies never reach the market. So that means that promising technologies are sitting on the shelf, and that you and I cannot benefit from those technologies that could have a positive impact on society and the economy. So that's where GenIP comes in.
Explain the importance of tech transfer to the global economy, because that's what we're talking about, isn't it?
Yes. So tech transfer is the process of converting ideas into practical applications. And that's how discoveries become medical applications, software solutions that we can benefit from, renewable energy solutions, and impact positively society and the economy. For example, PayPal, Yahoo, Google, they were Stanford-based. So that is technology transfer. It's how we convert discoveries into real applications that we can all benefit from.
So where are the pain points within that technology transfer process that GenIP is hoping to solve?
Yes, so our clients' main pain points are consistency, speed, and cost. And that's where GenIP comes in, because other traditional firms or market research are very costly, and they're also slow. And GenIP can deliver services in less than 10 business days for a fraction of the cost of other traditional firms.
Now, you were listed on the market last year, 2024. How's it been since then? And what sort of progress have you made as a listed company? Because it's a far higher profile than it had been before it came to the market, of course.
So we're very excited with the progress that we have made. We have expanded internationally, now selling into 25 different countries, and we have delivered hundreds of reports. We have also enhanced our platform to make it more automated, and we continue to strengthen the relationship we have with current clients.
So, big question, year ahead, what do you got planned?
Yes, so we want to stay laser focused on sales. We want to continue to onboard new clients and expand into new markets, but also vertical expansion, like the product that we just launched, which is the business intelligence product that is being used by a Big Four accounting firm.
Just one final question. How is GenIP going about the development of AI and its ethical use?
Ethical application is very important for us as a business. We care a lot about transparency. And as I've said, we don't share any client data with third parties. So the use of generative AI for us is to support the humans, not to replace them.
Okay, look, Melissa, we'll leave it there, but thanks indeed for joining us. It's a fascinating look through GenIP. Thanks for being with us here on the platform this morning. That's Melissa Cruz, the Chief Executive of GenIP.